Okay. Hi. How are you? Long time no see. It's primarily because of me that you're not seeing me because I can't handle the internet after a certain point of time. But I am here for a few days because not because I don't have any work. I have way too much work, but I really want to post a video because I can't work anymore. My mind is going crazy. So I was like, let me just make a video on something. So, the thing that I want to make a video on is skincare because that's on trend right now, and I've been buying a lot of skincare, man. Because, especially because of quarantine and everything, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. I have some blush and lipstick on right now because clearly you can see the bags under my eyes. Okay, too close. Listen, so I have been buying so much skincare and trying it out, and especially from one brand in particular, and that is Dermaco. Okay, I know you've just heard a lot about Dermaco in the past. I don't know how many months, but here I am giving my 2 cents, just two, not more, not less, just two. Okay, don't ask for more because that's all that I'm gonna give. So basically, I found this brand by I think somebody made a video on it, and I was looking for a niacinamide serum because I was like, I'm not gonna buy the ordinary one. It's way too expensive in India. I can't pay the excise duty and customs, and so I need something equivalent of that in India. And then somebody I forget who made a video. Okay, but somebody made a video on it, and then I was like, let me just try it. And then they had a bunch of stuff, and then I was like, let me just try everything. So I have been trying a lot of Dermaco product for the past, say, 1 month, and I have opinions, and I'm gonna share it with you, and you're gonna hear it. Please do. Okay. So let's begin. Okay. Now, Dermaco is, as to my knowledge, okay, don't quote me on it, but it is a website made by dermats, and whatever product is there is approved or formulated primarily by dermats. Okay, I mean, all such product like these are made by dermats, but you get the point, right? So I was pretty impressed, A, because they looked nice, and B, it was not very expensive, which is such a plus. I'm holding two products over here. Okay, so I went there, and they have this test kind of a thing, and when I went there, I was dealing with kind of a bad skin. I mean, not a bad skin, but I just had a little bit of a bumpy skin, just a little bit. And then they suggested few things, and I tried it out, and well, in like 3 weeks it worked. Okay, one product I have finished and have thrown it away, so I can't show you the packaging, but I will link it down below at some point of time. But the rest I have because I've been using it and they're not done yet. Okay, so they first suggested to wash your face with the AHA BHA foaming face wash. Okay, it looks like this, and it has, hold on, it has mandelic acid, glycolic acid, and salicylic acid. And I've been using it for, this is my second bottle, by the way. The first one is in my bathroom, and I used every day, and I really like it. It's very, very gentle. It's, I think it works. I think it has made the bumps in my skin, like I don't get it all the time, but you know, during that time of the month I do get like 1 or 2 bumps, and it really, really helped. I haven't seen so much bumps during this month. Okay, so yeah, this is like very gentle, though it has fragrance, and I don't mind it. It's very, I like the fragrance. It's very mild, and it's very calming, it's very soothing. So there's that. So the first step is this. They also have a cleanser for very dry skin. I think I'm gonna shift to that during the winter months, because now that it's monsoon come autumn, my skin is like combination, so this works perfectly for now. But during the winters, I think I'm gonna shift to that. Next, they have treatment creams. Okay, and when you do that test of your skin, they actually prescribe you what cream, when to use it, how much dosage. So they told me to use the AHA BHA gel in the morning. And so yeah, it also has glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and niacinamide, which is great. It comes in this little thing, so you drop it and you rub it. It's very light. I'll show you. Wait, it's, you can't even see it, dude. Wait, yeah, can you see it? Can you? Okay, you can, I think. Okay, I'm so sorry for my nails, but it's like this. It's very gel-like, and it just absorbs in your skin really quickly. So there's that. So all these things were like below 500, apart from two. Okay, apart from two, everything was either 499 or below 500. So that's a plus, at least for me, because if anything is above 1,000, I don't want to buy it. I just don't want to buy it. That's, I am like that. Okay, but yeah, whatever. After that, they told you to moisturize and use a broad spectrum sunscreen, as you should, every single day, no matter what kind of day it is, no matter the whether you're inside, outside, whether you should wear a broad spectrum sunscreen. I don't use their sunscreen, though they advise to use their sunscreen. I don't, because I already have a sunscreen that I absolutely love and I've been wearing for the past 10 years, which is the Neutrogena broad spectrum dry touch sunscreen. So that's great. So, and they also suggested a moisturizer, so I was like, let me just buy a moisturizer and let me just try it out. So I bought the Squalane and Zinc. This is very good for combination skin. Squalane is amazing for, what did Hiram say? For moisture retention? I think so. It's basically good for combination skin. And Zinc, I know for a fact that it's good for acne. So yeah, I use it morning and day. Though it seems like a small ass bottle, but it has lasted me for more than a month at this point. And it is also like very light. It's kind of a milky consistency. Can you see that? Don't see my arm hair, please. Okay, that's, it's very light. It's very gel-like, which I love, and it has a little bit of a scent. All these products, apart from the serums, like some serums have scent like this. Apart from the serums, they generally have a scent. So let me just put it out there, which I don't mind. It's very light. Okay, so I'm just diverting over here. Oh my god. Okay, now in the morning, I also use the 10% niacinamide serum. This is the thing that got me to buy all these products, okay, or discover the brand in the first place. This, okay, so this is the 10% niacinamide serum. It has vitamin B3, zinc, and they tell you to use it every day and night. I just use it in the day because at night I use something else. But what I want to tell you is, I've used the ordinary niacinamide one, the 10%, and I've also used this one. Dude, wait, let me just show you the consistency. I'm not gonna be wearing, okay. See, it's very light, it's very gel-like, and yeah, they feel the same. And as per performance goes, it's just been a month of me using it, and I've seen a little bit of a difference. But with niacinamide, there's no, like, you won't wake up with Korean like glass skin in a night, okay? It just works slow. It basically balances out your skin, makes it a little brighter, calms your acne, but it will take some time. But in a month, I had bumps, like one or two bumps here and one bump here, and now it's not there. So I'm pretty sure it's because of these products. I can't pinpoint on exactly which product, but I'm sure like a cocktail of these products have really helped calm my skin. Okay, now coming to nighttime. Okay, I again wash my face with this and pat it dry, and then I either use this or this. I'm going to tell you both. So this is the 20% vitamin C one. It has ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid, and sorry, I'm just seeing sorry, I'm just seeing where in the ingredient list ferulic or hyaluronic acid lies. It's pretty up there, and it has ethyl ascorbic acid, which according to Hiram, because I follow Hiram, according to him, is the best form of vitamin C. So I mean, if he said it, I mean, it has to be true, right? I don't know. I'm using it, I like it. Okay, it has definitely brightened my skin, so I'll keep rebuying it. This is the thing that was above 500. This was, I think, 899, and the retinol was 899. And yeah, so this is the retinol serum. It has stabilized vitamin C, AHA, BHA complex, and both of them I change. I use one every night. Okay, I don't mix them because you're not supposed to mix them, so I don't. And yeah, so these are the skin things that I bought from Dermaco. So now at the end of it, all said and done, the things that I will be repurchasing in the future is definitely, like, I've already repurchased this is a new one. So the face wash for sure, because it's a fantastic product. I love it. Okay, the serums, because I really like it, like all these. I don't think I'll repurchase the squalane and zinc, maybe in the summers, but considering it's winter soon, I'm not going to be repurchasing it, because it's very gel, like it's perfect for summers. Also, if you have acne prone oily skin, you should definitely go for it. But during the winter, my skin gets so parched, I cannot use this, impossible. And this is gonna take me a while to finish. Okay, the AHA BHA gel. After this, I don't think I'll be repurchasing this, primarily because this is for when I need it. I don't have acne now, so I will not be using it now. If I get a harvest of acne someday, I think I'll buy the entire skincare regimen, which has nighttime ointment, daytime ointment, and they go cohesively, and then they work on your acne. So yeah, this is, yeah, maybe later the AHA BHA squalane, not really. These are like this, definitely yes. The face wash, and also these, yes, I really like it. The retinol, the vitamin C, and the niacinamide. And also the best part about it is, in the entire website, I have never paid full price, because whenever you go, I swear to God, there is an offer. If you go, there's like minimum of 20% off, and if you if you do a prepaid order, then there's an additional 5%, which is like 25% off on all your purchases, which is fantastic. I have never paid full price on any of the Dermaco products. I have also used hair care things from them, which I'll make a video on later. Look at me making videos, putting out content. Who is this bitch? Okay, enough. So there's that. That's my review for Dermaco skincare product. I think some of them are pretty fantastic, especially if you're looking for a cheaper alternative for retinol, niacinamide, vitamin C, AHA, BHAs, because out there in the market, some of them are extremely expensive. Okay, some of them are like they should be pocket friendly, but they're not. I don't know why, but these are. I really like it. So if you are thinking of buying anything from Dermaco, I would highly suggest first go take the Derma test. You go to their website and then it's just there, okay? Just go and they'll customize you for your skin needs. I have recommended these products to my friends so many times. I think they're just bored of me talking about it, so I'm just telling you guys now because I want to bore someone else. So yeah, that's the video. And yeah, that's all I had to say. Now I will be putting out few more videos, one on the hair care thing, one on something else that I've planned, and something else which I'll talk to you about later. Now I have to go, I have a lot of work to do. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell icon, it'll be somewhere, figure it out. Please hit thumbs up. I'm gonna put all my socials below here, there, I don't know, I'm gonna put it somewhere here. Okay. Follow me and tell me how you found this video, if you found it helpful. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. I promise I won't take like 5 months to make another video because I usually do that, but yeah. Okay guys, chalo, bye. I hope you have a very nice day and bye.